Morning.
Good morning.
Yesterday, Monday afternoon, Lord Admiral was coughing, had a runny nose, and because of that, we decided to push the day of his final breeze back one day to Thursday, March 9th, instead of Wednesday the 8th.
How about you? How are you this morning? Let's see. How's your nose? Huh?
Good morning.
How's your nose this morning? You wanna say hi?
Good morning, lad. Hey. Listen.
So the first thing we'll do this morning, which is Tuesday, we will take his temperature and see where we stand.
Jay. Hi, lad. Hello.
All right, hold still. Click that to the tail there so we don't lose the thermometer. I'll read it.
Gee.
Temperature is 99. Normal for a horse is 99 and a half to 100 and a half. So it's a little bit low, which is, for him, is kind of normal. He'll be down around 99, 99 and 2/5. So that's a good sign. We don't have a fever. We just have a runny nose. Haven't heard him cough yet this morning, but he was coughing yesterday afternoon. So, we can't ignore the symptoms. He's getting some antibiotics. We're going to do a little blood test later on this morning. And we'll skip that work. Maybe we can push it back a few days, but we might have to skip it entirely for the race. We'll see. We'll just take it day by day. It's like 2 weeks in August and 2 weeks in September.
Uh-oh. I feel like I'm being followed by the CHRB now.
Oh, is that what it is?
Oh,
Oh,
you
no,
don't mind,
this
do
is
you?
much better.
No, they video when they're treating horses for a stake.
Oh, do they? I didn't know they did.
Why don't we try them?
Well, I'm not that.
This is Dr. Ted Simpson and his assistant Ruben. He's drawing blood for a quick blood test that he can do here at the barn. Takes about 10 minutes to get results.
He's been training great. Everything's been going well. He's gaining weight. And yesterday afternoon we came in and we heard a few coughs. Sarah was in the area and came by. And we gave him his polyglycan yesterday.
This large syringe has genicin in it. That's an antibiotic. It will not interfere with the race. It's not a prohibited drug. It will not affect his performance either adversely or favorably. And it's just a 3-day series of injections. And notice how big that injection is. These are big animals, almost 1,100 pounds.
You can see the snot on his leg there.
Yes, I can.
And he's but the temperature is 99 this morning. It was 99 and 4/5 yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, same thing. So we're not running a fever.
He's got it.
Change his attitude or that.
No, appetite's great. He's his usual playful self.
What did he do today?
No.
Oh, he didn't train today?
No. We don't get out till 9 o'clock anyway. But I haven't heard any coughing this morning.
That's good. Well, we'll run this. We'll know.
Okay.
Thank you.
So all things considered, we're in pretty good shape. The runny nose is almost gone. We haven't heard any coughing for the entire day. The blood work came back negative, so we don't have any underlying infection that we have to worry about. So we're going to gallop tomorrow, and after the gallop, Dr. Simpson will use an endoscope to look down his trachea and see if we've got any mucus coming up from the lungs or deep in the trachea that might interfere with his performance in a race. So we're hoping for a good report on that. But otherwise, it looks like we're going to be right on schedule for this race.
Did you read everything? Did you read everything?
So here's where we stand. We breeze on Thursday instead of Wednesday. We still go into our race on March 18th. So thanks for watching and good luck at the races.